Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Pixie Beads is probably one of the most dazzling and versatile nail art embellishments available today, offering a unique way to add intricate detail and a touch of sparkle to any manicure. These tiny, multifaceted glass beads, often smaller than a pinhead, create a stunning, almost liquid-like effect when applied to the nail, transforming a simple polish into a work of art. Whether you're aiming for a subtle shimmer or a full-on glamorous statement, Pixie Beads provide an accessible yet sophisticated option for elevating your nail game, making them a must-have for any beauty enthusiast looking to experiment with trendy and eye-catching designs. Number 5. Blulu 18,000 PCS Tiny Caviar Beads. Introducing the Blulu 18,000 PCS Tiny Caviar Beads, perfect for adding dazzling detail to your nails. These micro-glass gems offer an iridescent shine for stunning manicures. Each bead is a tiny masterpiece, measuring just 0.8 mm or 1.2 mm. They are designed to bring a crystal-like sparkle to your DIY craft projects. Achieve a truly glamorous look with these iridescent pixie diamonds. Their unique color-shifting properties will make your nails stand out. Beyond nails, these versatile beads are ideal for all your DIY craft needs. Let your creativity shine with these beautiful accessories. The color finish provides a spectrum of brilliance, reflecting light in a captivating way. Elevate your designs with this stunning effect. Applying these tiny gems is simple, yet the results are incredibly professional. Get salon-quality nail art right at home. What we like? This option offers an incredible 18,000 beads, ensuring you won't run out anytime soon. With 2 different sizes included, you have versatility in your designs. If you're looking for a vast supply for frequent nail art creation or DIY crafts, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The beads are tiny and perfect for creating delicate nail art designs. They have a beautiful iridescent finish that catches the light wonderfully. The beads are easy to pick up and place on the nails with tweezers. Number 4. Pandahall Translucence DIY 3D Caviar Nail Art Decoration Beads. Introducing our mini glass beads, perfect for creating stunning 3D nail art. These tiny caviar beads add a unique translucence to your designs. Achieve a beautiful 3D effect on your nails with these micro beads. They are incredibly easy and fast to apply, bringing the latest nail trends to your fingertips. These micro beads aren't just for nails. Use them to add texture and dimension to handmade charms, resin crafts, or even personalize your phone case and laptop. Unleash your individuality and express your creativity with these versatile micro beads. The possibilities for unique designs are infinite. Priced per 50G, these high-quality glass beads are the ideal choice for professional nail artists and DIY enthusiasts alike. Elevate your craft projects with these exquisite embellishments. What we like? These beads offer a unique translucent ivory shade and a no-hole design for a smooth, 3D effect. If you appreciate a subtle, elegant look on your nails or want to add dimension to various craft projects beyond nails, like resin charms or scrapbooking, this is the perfect pick. What people say. These pixie beads are very small and delicate, perfect for creating intricate nail art designs. The beads have a beautiful iridescent finish that catches the light, adding a stunning sparkle to nails. They are easy to apply with nail glue or gel, and they stay put without falling off. Number 3. Caviar Beads Nail Crystals. Introducing our exquisite caviar beads, designed to add a touch of glamour to your nails. These tiny, shimmering crystals are perfect for creating stunning 3D nail art. Available in a dazzling array of multicolor glass, these pixie crystals bring vibrant life to any manicure. Let your creativity shine with these versatile decorations. Transform your nails into miniature works of art with our easy-to-use 3D charms. Achieve professional-looking results right at home with these beautiful embellishments. Unleash your inner artist with our DIY nail charms. These micro pixie beads are ideal for adding unique touches and personalized flair to your nail designs. Experience the mesmerizing iridescent shine of the Crystal AB option. It catches the light beautifully, adding an ethereal glow to your nail art creations. Crafted from high-quality materials, these nail crystals ensure durability and a brilliant finish. Elevate your nail game with these premium supplies. What we like? Get a vibrant mix with 4 different colors in one pack for a stunning multicolor effect. If you love experimenting with bold and dynamic 3D nail art designs and want a variety of shades to play with, this set will spark your creativity. What people say. These pixie beads are very shiny and add a beautiful sparkle to nail art. The beads are small and easy to apply, creating a professional-looking finish. They come in a variety of colors, allowing for diverse and creative nail designs. Number 2. Micro Rhinestones Pixie Crystals Caviar Beads for Nails Crafts. Elevate your nail art with these exquisite micro rhinestones. They add a touch of glamour and shine to any design. These tiny crystals capture the light beautifully, creating a dazzling effect. Perfect for intricate detailing on your nails. Use them as caviar beads for a sophisticated look or as individual gems for unique accents. Their versatility is endless. Experience the stunning clear AB iridescent shine that transforms your manicure. They offer a multidimensional sparkle. Not just for nails, these mini bubble gems are also perfect for various craft projects. Unleash your creativity with these charming beads. Add these mini bubble gems to your collection for a touch of elegance. They are small yet impactful, making a big difference in your creations. What we like. This set provides 4 bottles of clear AB iridescent pixie crystals, offering a dazzling shine. If you're drawn to the classic sparkle of clear rhinestones with an added iridescent twist and enjoy the look of tiny bubble gems, this is an excellent option for adding that extra bling. What people say. The beads are very tiny and perfect for creating delicate nail art designs. They have a beautiful iridescent finish that catches the light wonderfully. The small size makes them easy to apply with tweezers, and they adhere well to nail polish. Number 1. Ultra Mini Nail Rhinestones 8000 PCS. Introducing our Ultra Mini Nail Rhinestones, perfect for adding a touch of sparkle. These tiny gems come in a generous 8,000 piece pack, offering endless creative possibilities. Experience the dazzling iridescent AB finish that catches the light beautifully. These micro pixie crystals add a stunning shimmer to any nail design. Achieve a delicate and intricate look with these micro pixie crystals. Their small size, just 1.2 mm, allows for precise application and a sophisticated finish. Add a touch of sweetness and glitter to your nails with these sugar glitter beads. They create a captivating texture and a playful charm. Your new nail charms come neatly organized in a clear 2-nail tray. This makes application and storage incredibly easy and convenient. With thousands of tiny gems at your fingertips, the design possibilities are limitless. Elevate your manicure with these versatile and eye-catching nail decorations. What we like. These Ultra Mini 1.2 mm beads create a delicate sand diamond effect on your nails. If you prefer a very fine, glittery texture and appreciate the convenience of an included nail tray for easy application and storage, this set is ideal for achieving a subtle yet impactful sparkle. What people say. The beads are tiny and perfect for nail art. They are very shiny and add a beautiful sparkle to the nails. Easy to apply and stay on well with top coat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.